Ready to take your next RV adventure outside of the country? You might want to watch this one. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. One thing to remember is all of this is included in your subscription. As we move the map around, you can see that all of the places that we can stay start to light up. We are interested in Mexico. When we click the research panel and start to zoom in, you select the park from the list. Check the features tab to make sure it has everything that we are looking for. And this location allows pets. And if you plan to bring pets, make sure to have their flea, tick, and heartworm prevention, but also that their vaccinations are up to date and they've had a recent medical screening. Some countries require that you prove that your pet is healthy. While we're here, let's read some reviews, and we can even see their nightly price. We can even see tips and Q&As from other campers. The weather tab is incredible because it shows you the forecast. Now we are going to add this to our trip and set it for 2 nights. This stop will be added after the previous stop. An important thing to remember is that if you're traveling outside the United States or any country, make sure to have a valid passport that has more than 6 months left. This is really, really important. As we're exploring the map, what if we wanted to plan a stop in Canada? There are so many places to camp in Canada. Let's choose a stop around British Columbia. If you watch the research tab as we zoom in, you will see the list start to populate. The particular park that we are looking for is Glacier View RV Park in Smithers, British Columbia. Again, we're going to check the features tab just to make sure it has everything that we need. We're going to check the reviews. Again, this is a great way to see the nightly price. This will at least give us a range of prices to get an idea of what to expect. And then on to the weather tab for our forecast. Knowing the weather is extremely important. We'll add this to our trip and pick 2 nights. Now we will click Add Stop. Now, as you move the map around and zoom out, you can see the entire trip has been planned between 3 countries, including times that we need to consider looking for fuel. We will finish this route by adding a round trip back to the starting point. And our miles have adjusted, the stops have adjusted, as well as the cost. The cicadas have said that this is the end of the video. If you got any value out of it, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. Are you planning to travel outside the country? Let us all know in the comments section. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.